In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect two players on Fortnite PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play with two players, aka split screen, on Fortnite if you are on a PlayStation 5. So to do this, you will need an additional controller. Both of you will be able to share the same screen while playing. So grab an additional DualSense controller. You have two ways of connecting it to your console. You can do a wired connection, so you grab a cable, you plug one end into the controller itself, and then the other end goes into the PlayStation 5. This is a very straightforward way, there's no secret to this, and the other one is going to be through a Bluetooth connection. To connect it wirelessly via Bluetooth, press and hold the PlayStation and the share button simultaneously. When you press both of these buttons simultaneously, the light bar will start flashing, indicating that Bluetooth has been enabled. With Bluetooth enabled, it should wirelessly pair itself with the console. You can also go over to the settings and choose Bluetooth accessories if you want to double check. Then once the controller is connected, there will be a pop-up telling you to add a user. You can create a new PlayStation Network account for that controller, or you can use it as a guest. It doesn't matter, but you have to choose one of these. Make sure you don't skip this step. So either create a new user if it is going to be used often, or just use a guest account. If you want to be absolutely sure that it works, a PlayStation Network account is recommended. So choose any of the user, usually player 1 will have the first one, and then whoever is using the secondary controller can be the secondary user. With this done, when you go inside of a lobby with two players on Fortnite, you will see this option here. Hold a specific button to log in. So all that you have to do now is press and hold triangle. Upon doing this, both of you will load into the lobby, and now player 1 can go ahead and start the match. You can choose any of the standard Battle Royale modes and share the same screen. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect two players on Fortnite PlayStation 5. If this video helps you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.